So, one of the first videos on my channel, thank you guys for checking this out. Today I'm going to be showing you, recently on my vlog channel, I will link to it, my channel at the end of the video, but I did a video where I showed slow-mo videos of me blowing like these ring bubbles in the pool. And so I thought that, sorry about the background noise, my dad's swimming laps in the pool. I thought that I would make a video just showing you guys a couple tips towards how to do it. It's really simple. Some of my friends, and I've told them about it, they thought there's some sort of technique needed. And well, yes, some technique helps. It's really just blowing out. So I'm going to tell you now. I'm just going to kind of sit here and run through it. I'll have some B-roll over showing you. Let's hop into it. What you're going to do is you're going to get up at the top, get a good breath, because you're going to have to spend some time underwater. So you want to hold it for, you want to get set up to where you can hold your breath for probably 15-20 seconds at least underwater. So for some of you that's like, oh, you're right. Some of you that's no problem. So yeah, it's not that bad. You're going to plug your nose, go under. Definitely plug your nose because you want to hold in as much air as you can. Go down to the bottom, and what you'll want to do is, once you're at the bottom, you're going to lay flat on the bottom of the pool, and you're going to lift your little arm straight up so that it doesn't bother what's coming out of your mouth. I'm going to fall backwards 1 second. And you're going to lay on the bottom, you're going to go like that. You're going to lift it up, and then you're going to and basically just puff things out like. And that's how you're gonna do it. It'll take a little bit of practice to get it down exactly. Now, with a couple things you're not gonna do. You're not gonna go, if you go, you'll see you can make some rings, but in my experience when I was practicing, it just made like really thin ones and they'd break up into a bunch of bubbles real fast. If I got a good shot, I'll show it right now. What you're gonna do is you can go, and you almost want pressure to build up in your cheeks. So that right when you open up, it's like just one quick bubble. And what's gonna happen is, as it's coming through the tube of your lips, the outside is going to travel slower than the inside because of the friction, and that's gonna get it, you'll see in these slow-mo shots I'm showing right now, that's gonna get it to start rolling. And when it rolls back, all it can do is come back through because the other part's rolling back. It just creates like a vacuum that then creates a ring. So that's how it works. Now, one tip, a couple of tips, make sure your arm is away. Make sure to blow the way I said, but then also, the reason I said hold your breath for a while, you're going to want to go down to the bottom and then lay still for a little bit. Because one of the reasons I got so frustrated at first trying to figure this out, and then I realized that I was swimming and I was kicking, while I was blowing the air, and the current, even though my legs weren't right where the bubbles were, the movement of the water would break up the rings. And so you want the water, it doesn't have to be perfectly still, it doesn't have to be glass, but you do want it relatively smooth and not moving around too much. So like what I got right behind me here, this is fine. It doesn't have to be glass, but as long as I wasn't just kicking myself down to the bottom. If I kick down, then I'm gonna wanna wait for a little bit, and then you can let out a ring bubble, and if it looks good, then just let it rip and shoot up to the surface. So, okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Those are some of my tips. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and I will answer those to the best of my abilities. Again, it's not an exact science, and it's not super hard to pick up. Just spend a little time at the bottom of your pool, and you'll pick it up pretty fast. But it's fun when friends are over. I can go down to the bottom, and I can show them just how to do it. Like, it's like I can blow ring bubbles, and people think it's some sort of hard skill like juggling to learn. And so, real quick, real easy, real fun. Let me know if you learn it. By the way, if you learn it, send a video of it to teamzeal@gmail. No. To teamzeal@gmail. No. Send a video of it to gabesgoals@gmail.com for a shout out in one of my upcoming videos. All right, hope you guys have a great day. Peace. That was kind of lame, and I just remembered that I have a waterproof case on my phone, so we're gonna redo that one. Peace!
I just remembered my dad's swimming laps. He almost ran right into me. I almost ran right into him. Okay, bye.
One more thing, subscribe, here are some other videos.